Okay, to save a boatload of time, and I mean a boatload, I have the Happy Wanderer first aid kit. Let's talk about always wanted list. Here is the Everyone Cares, Everyone Cares, Tim Tebow Foundation, or Tebow Cure Hospital, or whatever. So here. So, yeah. This has been a always wanted list, and a good inch item, I have to say. Oh, let me get the list ready. What is this for? So I'm gonna open it anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot it opens like this. It opens like... Oh, and I did it the wrong way. Oh. Huh. It's like, what? First, we'll start with the first aid guide. It's a basic first aid guide. And by the way, this one is the one I showed yesterday. The little... That is not getting modified in the least. So yeah. Make sure this is the same. This is the Spanish side, English side. It has the same stuff as the other thing I have. So yeah. Well, let's just start with this one. Second is a cold compress. I don't need it. I don't plan on using it. So yeah. There is a cheapo emergency blanket, but that's better than nothing. Then we have the gauze pads and stuff. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 2x2s, I believe it said. Actually, I'm going to show the thing to see if everything's in here. Then it said 2 or 3. Yeah, it said no. 1, 2, 3. One's always upside down for no reason. 4. 4x4 4-ply gauze pads. A trauma, a steel extra absorbent or trauma. APK. Wait. ABD pad, 5" by 9". Okay. Anything else in this pocket? Nope. I'm trying to keep this as neat as possible so I can actually close it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. Well, right now I'm gonna show you all the contents list. If y'all can read it, pause. Yeah. Oh. This goes right here then. I mean, this is a good inch item because it has like stuff that you need. So yeah. The stuff, let's start with, oh yeah, I forgot. This comes apart. It's Velcro. I forgot about that. That's it. Oh, also metal thing. So little bag. Okay, so it has insect protection cream. Let's see how much it says, because I don't remember how much. It's not telling me. What the heck? Oh, insect repellents 3, so there's supposed to be 3. I'm going to keep these as is. I'm going to keep this in here because I might need it for an inch item. 3 of them. Okay. And then we have this. We do have lip ointment in here, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we have lip balm. 2 of them, I believe. Or lip ointment. That's nice. That means I got fire starting. Then we have a splinter remover. I don't know about that. Oops. Then we got like some bandages right here. Looks like these type of bandages. Not a fan of those, but whatever. Then we have burn cream. 3 of them. Looks like, and 3 ointments. I'm gonna keep those in there as is, because you don't know. You don't know. But yeah. But lip balm's really good to have. I always carry this stuff. If it has, okay, it has, oh, it looks like it's pomegranate flavor. That's nice. It's pomegranate flavor. That's nice. These do have, oh, mineral oil, beeswax. This can be used for wound care, I believe. Don't quote me on that, though. Do not quote me on that. I don't want to be misquoted. So, yeah. Then we have, oh, I forgot about this. A poison oak cleanser towelette. I forgot about that. That's nice. This is a good addition. I think it's like $20-something. Worth it, though. Cause yeah, poison ivy, oak, and sumac cleanser. That's nice. That's nice. And the rest is different size bandages, basically the same size that you always saw. So yeah, I forgot that this is actually a pouch that can come off. I forgot about that. Yay! So if I ever have to go, well, I'm gonna use this or something, I can. So yeah, that's nice. Oh, all my cleanser wipes are coming out. How many of these anyway? Holy shoot, that is a lot. Oh, applicators. Yes. Anyway, 8 antiseptic wipes, of course. Now I'm trying to keep all this neat as possible. So, yeah. Sorry about that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Does it say 12 on here? Does this say 12 on here for listeners? Trying to see. I know 6 single leaf wipes. Yeah, 12 gauze pads. These are good for fire burning, or tinder too, so yeah. Then we have, so one thing of Silverex, which I actually recommend instead of burn cream, honestly. Because I've heard stuff that's like, this is better to use than burn cream, because burn cream makes stuff worse. Then we have the single leaf wipes, 6 of them. That's nice, yeah. Try to keep these in order, so yeah. Here's another antiseptic wipe. That just gets everywhere. Then we have something you we don't see unless you get the big ones. Splint sticks, something they're called. I don't know. But you get gloves, moleskin, applicators, which are nice. These are nice to have. Trust and believe. I actually try to have them in a lot of stuff. Then 4 big safety pins. I forgot what it's called. Sorry. I forgot what it's called. And a little thing of tape. So yeah, let's see if we get all this back together. There's like only 1 pair of tape, I'm assuming. All this right here, so I can get all this to where it needs to be. Splinter remover? No. God, I don't remember. Oh, I don't remember. But I think it's a good itch item also because this has stuff that you'll need. You know, if you're gonna do an inch bag or whatever. Let's put the applicators right here. I have 1 kit with like 3 of them, so I'm using that for that. And then let's put these Electro 6, I believe. No, splint. These are meant to be used for splints, by the way. I have one bag with them in it. Oh god, I'm not gonna be able to get all this back in here anymore. I don't care. I will survive. Hey, hey. Yeah, I was at the doctor's office yesterday and that came on. I was like, oh, you freaking. Now this is gonna be a pain in the butt to get back. So yeah, that's the kit. Wow, it actually is going back good. That's nice. That is what I must say. This has been a dream come true for me. By the way, I have a Mandela effect with this, though. There was a small. I thought there was a smaller version of this, but the yellow, the orange one you saw, the little one like that, that's the one I was thinking of. I must say, I'm impressed actually. This is a good hiking. It's gonna be a good hiking thing too, since it has the emergency blanket. You know, and that's pretty cool. This has been a dream come true for me, definitely. So I would recommend you get it. It's nice. I still have a couple more of these kits to get. I'm obsessed with Be Smart, Get Prepared, and Adventure Medical Kits. That's the two I like. I know you're like, oh god, another first aid kit. You don't need another first aid kit. But that's the thing. Like a lot of the first aid kits I do have, some of them are actually at the place where I have all my stuff. You know, so yeah. Anyway, peace.